Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up 2FA for your KuCoin account. I just tap to login of my KuCoin account and top left corner of profile icon and just tap to security, and after inside here you will see the Google verification. Just tap on it and just enter verification code and just tap to send to your email and you will get a verification code. Just tap in, and from the latest code you will have to just copy it and paste it here and just tap to next. So after completing, so please download and install the Google Authenticator. If you already installed, please go to the next step. I will already install, I will go next and copy the passcode key and open the Google Authenticator and just tap to plus icon, enter a setup key. So enter the copy key, paste it here, and account name is kucoin. So just tap on it, kucoin, and set the time base and just simply tap on add button. So here is your kucoin verification code. So go back in the kucoin and tap to next, and here you will just add a authenticator code. Just copy it and simply just paste it in here, enter verification code and activate. So this is, you will see enable. This is how you can just enable 2FA code. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.